Hello everyone, my name is Steven and this is the Opportunity in Investing. First, I want to start with a question. Do you have everlasting life? This is the first and most important question you should find the answer to in life. For what shall it profit a man if he shall gain the whole world and lose his own soul? The greatest news is that you can find the answer when you look to God's perfect word. You'll find that the answer is found in the Lord Jesus Christ. I'm not a professional financial advisor, so always do your own research before investing. Past performance does not guarantee future returns. Investing does involve risks, so you may gain or lose money. For this video, we're going over February 2026 data for this channel and its performance. During February, I sold one company, being ODFL, Old Dominion, and got one newcomer, ticker symbol WGO, which is Winnebago. We'll be going over that shortly. So for that new company, it's Winnebago Industries. They manufacture and sell recreational outdoor lifestyle products, mainly RVs and marine items as well. So on the 25th of February, I got into this company at $41.85. In my opinion, I think this company is way undervalued. Since 2021, the average annual growth rate for this company on the earnings has been 58%. On the sales, it's been negative 1.8%, but if you break the sales down per share, it's $102.69. Next is the book value. Average annual growth rate since 2021 has been 2.2%, which doesn't seem like a lot, but the book value per share for this company is $44.07, and I got in at $41.85, and it's even lower than that now. So next is the cash flow, which since 2021 average annual growth rate has been about 36.5%. The most recent year, this company has seen a huge U-turn in regards to all these metrics. So looking forward where this company goes, and we'll see. Now onto the company I sold, which is ticker symbol ODFL, Old Dominion. You can see the date that this chart is covering from November 18th to February 5th. 26. So I only bought in one time, and then that was the only time I was able to buy it when it was undervalued in my opinion. And you can see the huge run up during that time versus the S&P 500 and the blue. This is the video I did on it, and the price I entered and the date I posted this video. Now for only 2026 dollar cost averaging returns, we have this channel at 10.5% versus the S&P 500 at 0.8%. As always, you can pause and look at the data points on each table that I show. Now for the lump sum returns, just for 2026, average ticker symbol at 8.5% versus S&P 500 at 0.3%, making an average difference of 8.3%. 73.7 beating the S&P 500 and 73.7 making positive returns. Now onto all realized dollar cost average returns. These are positions I've entered and also exited, so they've opened and closed out. So average ticker symbol 31.6% versus the S&P 500 at 8.3%, making this channel on the realized dollar cost averaging side outperformed by 23.4%, where 77% are beating the S&P 500 and 89% making positive returns. Now for realized lump sum returns, this channel at 23.8% versus the S&P 500 at 15%, making this channel outperform on the realized side by 8.8%. 77, those same companies are being the S&P 500 and the same ones making positive returns. Now the total dollar cost averaging returns for this channel is at 8.1% versus the S&P 500 at 12.4%. So for 2026, you've seen a huge turnaround, and so I'm hoping to continue that trend. And for the lump sum total, for this channel average ticker at 3.3% versus the S&P 500 at 13.9%, making this channel overall underperform by 10.6%. 33.3 beating the S&P 500 and 44.4 are making positive returns. So that is it for this video, and if you have any comments, comment below. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye.